Welcome to EwityPOS. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up seamless printing in your outlet. Let's get started. Before setting up seamless printing, ensure your printers are successfully connected and operational. If you need help connecting your printers, check out the guide linked in the description. To confirm the connection, open your computer settings, navigate to Devices, select Printers and Scanners, choose your connected printer and click Test Print. If the test print is successful, proceed to the next step. If there are issues with the test print, you can check to see if there are any updates for your device drivers. Check your device connections such as the USB connection or IP connection. Update your operating system. Or if these methods do not provide a solution, consult an IT technician if the issue persists. To begin the installation of seamless printing, you will require the latest version of Java. To begin, search for Java in your preferred search engine. Download and install the version compatible with your OS. After that, log into EwityPOS through an administrator account, click Admin from the side menu, select Settings, scroll down to Printing, and enable Seamless Printing and click Update Settings. Now you will be able to see the installation for the Seamless Printing software. Click the download link. Once the download is finished, proceed with the installation. If your system's antivirus flags the app, allow it to run. For each pop-up that appears during installation, simply click Next to proceed through the steps until the installation is complete. Once installed, return to the printing page in EwityPOS and click Test Connection. If prompted, select Remember this decision and click Allow. Your seamless printing setup is now complete. Now to configure the printers, go to Admin in the side menu, select Locations and your location details. Under the Devices section, click Add Device. Select your connected printer and perform a test print. Assign a name to the printer and save the settings. Go back to the Details section of your location. Go to Registers. Assign the printer to a specific task such as bill printing or KOT and click Update Assignments and save. Your seamless printing is now fully set up. Your devices will automatically print bills, KOTs and other formats as required. Thank you for choosing EwityPOS. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel or check out the links in the description.